Hello and welcome to our channel. After 1 week pause, we return to the air with our weekly analytics of American markets by ftnvest.us website. And we begin with the result of our portfolio, call it ftnvest 11, and you can see that it was a very good week for us. Instead of the very bad one for S&P 500. So we are gaining, but the market is declining. So you can see that we have grown 2.67% per week. So our alpha has grown, year-to-date alpha has grown to 4.15%, and our year-to-date result is quite good. And in my view, we can grow further. Also, we have some empty shelves. We are not invested in 100%, and we have a lot of cash in our portfolio, and probably we can buy something in the next week, but I don't know. I always see the opportunity with the technical analysis. If there is a bull model, we buy. If there is a reversal model, bear model, we sell. This is easy to say, but this is what we do, and what we are doing that for nearly 10 years. You can see that the result of our portfolio from the 16th year. Soon there will be a 10 years anniversary, but by our American portfolio. Please consider subscribing to our service. We offer to you a 1-year subscription. We will then supply the structure of our portfolio. There is only American stocks. You buy individual stocks, not ETF, nothing, no structural products. We are maybe some kind of structural products, but we are investing only in stocks in USA, only in undervalued stocks. Also, let me show you the results of American market, and there is problems. There are problems with S&P 500, Nasdaq, maybe not so much problems with Dow Jones. I have shown to you this model in our website. Please go, or you can subscribe to our Twitter X account. And this model have worked very good. You see that this technical situation looks like that S&P and Nasdaq have reached a turning point, maximum or a top. Also, there was a very interesting news. What have driven the market during the last several months? This is all history. In my view, the bubble has been growing and growing. And you see that ChatGPT asked for $1 trillion of US government guarantees, and because of what? Because they don't have any money, they don't have any market for all these changes or these orders they do. The market have been driven by that. During the summer, the first 2 months of an autumn, and you see that all that album have no funding. There is a lot of problem related with that. Market have very good expectations about the future, but the future doesn't look like very good. you see that if they ask for loan guarantees, that means that there is no understanding even of who will buy all these services for $1 trillion. It's very hard for me to understand why you should still be buying there or there in Nasdaq. And technical situation have shown us this. We sold some shares in our portfolio, but we invest not in we invest in stocks not related with all these bubbles. We are in undervalued stock with a good technical situation, so please consider subscribing to our service. What also happened in the USA is we should talk about US dollar index, and you see that it have been rising rather good, but there is a reversal model. It turned it down, and I think that US dollar technical analysis shows that US dollar is gonna fall during next 2 or maybe 3 days. Then there could be a reversal, but please go to our website and see the updates. I try to update all the graph I'm talking about during these videos. So this is a good thing. This is a good thing for US market, for US stocks, bubble stocks, mostly for S&P and Nasdaq. Also, there is a good thing for market that there is a reversal model in US yields. The yield have been growing during 2 weeks, and then you see the reversal model, a bear model in US government bond yield, and this is a good thing for stock. So it's very hard to make prediction. Also, you can see the Dow Jones. There is no technical model in my view. It's very because this index is not the same as S&P 500 or Nasdaq. It's more related with enterprises, producing, manufacturing business. So, but there is no bubble in US market. US market is very divided. One part of it, the Magnificent Seven, is as a bubble. It's the biggest bubble in history. It's a craziness that the capitalization of one stock, Nvidia, is more than the total German market, the total UK market, the market of France, etc. It's hard to believe. Maybe there are some opportunity to buy in Europe, but also you should understand that there is a bubble in the USA. So I will not say that the market will not find some kind of bottom, maybe there, but in my view, the trend of the growing trend in the S&P and Nasdaq is going to the end. But we invest in different stocks. Please consider subscribing to our service and follow us. This is my advice to all of you. Thank you very much.